the how to perform Eid Salah. Because it comes twice a year, we continue to forget. So, and some brothers go to other masjids, then they learn the other ways of performing Eid Salah. There's a few ways. However, how we will perform today so you don't get confused. First, the Imam will say Allahu Akbar, we'll fold our hands. Just remember, count it on your fingers. This is the first Allahu Akbar. We'll fold our hands. We'll read Thana, Subhanakallahumma bihamdik. And thereafterwards, the Imam will say Allahu Akbar, the second Allahu Akbar. We will drop our hands. Thereafter, Imam will say again Allahu Akbar, the third one, again we will drop our hands. Thereafter, the Imam will say Allahu Akbar, the fourth one, then we will fold our hands. So how many times we will drop our hands? 3 times. Again, we got it wrong. We will drop our hands 2 times. The first time you fold your hands, the second time you drop your hands, the third time you drop your hands, and the fourth time you fold your hands. Then the Imam will continue as normal. Surah Fatiha, another surah. The second rakat again, Surah Fatiha, another surah. Second rakat, many people go into ruku. So remember, when the Imam stops after the surah, he's not going to go into ruku, he's going to say the 3 takbirs again. So he's going to say Allahu Akbar, we drop our hands. Again he says Allahu Akbar, we drop our hands. Again he says Allahu Akbar, we drop our hands. The fourth time he says Allahu Akbar, we will go into ruku. So in the second rakat, how many times we're going to drop our hands? 3 times. So in the first rakat, we fold our hands, we drop it twice, then we fold again. In the second rakat, we drop it 3 times, and the fourth time we go into ruku. If you don't know, just look at the person next to you, inshallah. Allah Ta'ala will forgive you.